In this tutorial, you'll learn how to calculate the weighted average of grades with credits. Suppose you have a list of grades and their corresponding credits, and you want to determine the overall performance, considering the weightage of each grade based on its credit value. The magic formula for this is incredibly simple in Excel. Type the formula. Type equal. Type sum product. Bracket start. Select the grade range. Type comma. Select credits range. Close bracket. Slash. Type sum. Start bracket. Select credits range. Bracket. Close. After write the formula. Press Enter key. By utilizing the sum product function, which multiplies each grade by its corresponding credit and then sums up those products, followed by dividing this sum by the total sum of credits, you'll obtain your weighted average effortlessly.